Hey guys, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So I have the brand new Manny and Me box for April from Maniology. And this is a subscription box you can get. And they always have the cutest little plates in here and polishes. I believe the stamping plates are exclusive to the box. So if you like what you see, sign up for the Manny and Me box. So let's open this baby. Okay. What will you create? I love this. So it always has a little information card, tells you about what the box is about, what you get inside the box, gives a little example. That is so cute. So this box is like a 90s retro box. Let me read this for a second. Yes. Oh, it's cute. Okay. Let's see what we got this time. And as always, the packaging is so stinking cute. Okay, so I believe, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I think you get a stamper with your first subscription box, but then like the following ones, I think you just get the plates and the polishes and then the little extra. You don't get a stamper every time. But there's always a cute sticker. Ooh, I really, really like this one. Embrace your inner artist. That is so gorgeous. I have so many stickers from Maniology that I haven't stuck to anything because I just keep collecting them. They're so pretty. I didn't want to waste them. Anybody else like that with their stickers? Okay. Stamping polishes first, and then we'll look at the plates. And it looks like we have a chrome. I think I opened this upside down. That's okay. Ooh, those are pretty. Mid-mod blue. That is gorgeous. It's coming up just a little brighter on screen than it is in real life. And powder puff. Ooh, yeah. It's like a really super nice light pink. I don't think I have any colors like that, which is crazy. I have so many stamping colors. Oh my gosh, these plates are gonna be so much fun. Okay, so we got M149, and these images are so cool. I have an idea in mind of a design I think I want to do. Oh my God, stop it. Look at that cat. These are nice. Oh my goodness. I like these. Ooh, look at all the things. Gives me slight Jetson vibes. Anybody else get that? These little starbursts right here are so popular and they are so hard for me to draw. But I can draw the bigger ones, but these teeny tiny ones, so hard to draw. I'm going to use that a lot on my clients. And then we've got M150. Oh my goodness. Very 90s art deco mod kind of images. This looks like an art palette. And I like the double stamping that you can do with these. Very, very cool. Ooh, so fun. I got too many ideas in my brain right now. Let's check out this. Okay, so as you guys know, I'm blind. It's a 60s, not a 90s. I swear I saw a 9. 60s retro vibe. And then the chrome, it says it's a reflective nail powder, reflective chrome nail powder, ultra fine, highly reflective powder, adds a sparkle chrome finish. So it looks to be like an iridescent kind of color. I don't know what color that's gonna be. Oh, it's like a white glazed donut chrome. Ooh, that's pretty. So that would go over any color and it would just add like a pearly glazed finish to it. And it's got a bit of a sparkle to it. So pretty. That's fun. So let's see if I can come up with a little design here. Okay, so I saw this technique and I thought it was really cool. So I'm gonna try it out and see if it's gonna work. So I started out with a pale pink polish. I'm using gel because I like using gel as a base. This is Bunny Bliss from Madam Glam, and I cured that. And then you want to go in with a thick clear gel and cure that and then do your stamping, and it makes your stamping look like it's kind of floating on top, and it's very tone on tone. So I think that these are gonna match pretty good. So we're gonna try this out and see if it works. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. So let's try it. So I've got that down. I'm just taking a thick clear gel and I'm going to apply that to the nail. And you want to like kind of plan for this design ahead of time so your nail isn't too thick, because you want to put a nice generous layer. I don't think just putting a clear top coat down would be quite enough. You really want a nice dollop of that clear, because you want it to be raised off of the nail. Kind of like doing your color first and then encapsulating. So any clear gel will work, you know, thicker than top coat, but like it doesn't have to be thick gel, like a medium viscosity. This is fairly thin, it's not too bad. The gel I'm using is this one here. And it's been working pretty nice for some 3D type things that I've been trying, just kind of playing around with it. Okay, so I've got that on. I'm gonna let those air bubbles pop, and then I'm going to cure it. And then we're gonna use this image right here from the 149 plate. Sometimes I can get that to just roll up, but it's on there good. Oh, so satisfying. And remember, when you remove that blue film, it can leave a little bit of a residue behind. So if you're having a hard time picking up your image off of your brand new plate, give it a little wipe with some acetone. That will help you tremendously. Okay, so we have our surface and now we stamp. I'm excited. I think this is gonna be so cool. Ooh, this color's nice. Stamper. It's a little lighter than I thought it was going to be, but it gives the effect. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool, you guys. So I love this effect with like a full cover nail image. Look at that. So it's like it's the same color, but since it looks so raised, isn't this the coolest? I'm obsessed. So you could literally do that with any color. You just want to find a similar stamping color to whatever background color you're using. You could use the same one if you wanted to just do regular polish and not gel polish. Oh my gosh, this effect is so cool. Okay, I'm going to top coat it for you guys because it does retain the effect after you top coat it. So it's just my Madam Glam top coat, which is almost empty. Come on out. I love this top coat for gel over stamping because it does not pit. It does not run away from the stamping. It does so good. It does not smear the stamping. It's my favorite top coat for like everything. Look at that. Would you just look at it? How cool is this, you guys? Oh my goodness. I love this. This looks so cool. What do you guys think? Have you tried this technique? Have you seen this technique? I just recently saw this on, I think, Instagram. And I was like, that is a really cool looking effect. And I think I've done it with some flowers before, but I think the closer you can get the colors to being like the same color as one another, the cooler the effect is. And a full cover image versus like just something like this, I think also makes it really cool. I think this one would look cool. This one, this one, this one, all of these bottom images here would make that effect look so cool. Maybe this one, this would even be cool. So yeah, how fun. I love it. I need to find a blue polish that's close to this one so I can do the same thing, but I'm just gonna show you guys this one example. Okay, that is secured. This is so cool. I'm obsessed. I would totally wear this. It's such a neat look. It looks like it's embossed, I think is the word I'm looking for. It gives like a 3D effect, but it's completely smooth. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I'm gonna have so much fun with these plates. If you guys wanna check out the Manny and Me boxes, there's some really cool stuff in them. Go check them out. Let me go ahead and swatch this blue one on the lid for you guys, just so we can see it. Oh, that is pigmented. That is nice. Make sure my stamper's clean. Goodness, everything's in my way. Oh, that blue is good. Look, you guys. Oh, it even looks good over black. Yes, that is a good stamping polish right there. And we'll just go ahead and hit this one up too. Let's do this image. I think the blue's even better than the pink, you guys, but they're both really nice. That pink worked fantastic for that little design. The pink has a bit of a whiteness to it, if that makes sense. Like over the black, it looks a little washed out, and you can see it's a little bit more pink over the white. Definitely a softer pink, very, very soft and what's the word I'm looking for? Not see-through, but just soft, not as pigmented, I guess. Very pretty. So that's the stamping polishes, the plates, and the chrome. So if you guys want to check out Maniology's Manny and Me box, I highly recommend you do. They have some of the coolest stuff in there. You get these exclusive plates. So much fun. These plates are so cool. And you can find all the information in the description box. Go give Maniology some love. Thank you so much, Maniology, for sending me this box to try out and do some fun designs with. If you guys want to see my finished nail art designs and everything, go check me out on Instagram at Ginger Sparks. I post all of my finished nail art there. I do a ton of clients and I take pictures of almost everybody. Not always, but most of them. So all of those designs are over there on Instagram. So go give me some love there and check that out. And yep, that is it for this video, guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye.